Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to turn on the watch or wake up the screen on the watch. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the side button, and to wake up the screen, press the side button. Once you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, press the side button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the factory reset option. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the home screen again, the watch face, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.